Annapolis continues to enjoy robust buyer activity despite limited inventory and higher prices. It's Friday, March 6th, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Days on the market before a contract remain low. Prices for those properties that sold are higher year over year, and the list to sold ratio is healthy. Sellers are still in the driver's seat in Annapolis. Active inventory in Annapolis rose to 138 units for sale at a median $607,450 list price and holding at 53 days on the market. 31 units will be coming soon, holding at a median $700,000. 32 properties went under contract this past week in 10 days and at a median list price of $687,000. 30 properties sold at 97.3%, and that was at a median sold price of $695,000. And in 27 days, Annapolis remains above Maryland's median sales price. Rental properties rose to 40 units for a lease at a median $2,675 per month. Got questions? Give me a call and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, March 6, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.